Aloha, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm at Convention CKC in Mesa, spending some money. Hope you're having a crafty day. I'm just showing some of the showroom floor, and then one of my favorite organizing crafty friends. I'll show you a picture of her short at the end. So this is first thing Friday morning. It's the second day. Tomorrow will be the last day, but I'm assuming because it's Saturday tomorrow, it'll be way, way busier. Photo play in the house. Maker's Movement. Local to Phoenix. Scraps of Love, local to Phoenix. Hustler Stamps. Paper Wizards. Craft Fancy. So that's the showroom floor. Treasure box. Oh, forgot Caterpillar. Love that cutter. Okay, can you guess who my favorite organizing craft person is? She's right there. Leave it in the comments below. I'm interested to see if you know who she is. She's here in the middle right here. So hope you're having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here.